Hey, what's up you guys? It's your girl Jackie here and I am back with another video. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. And let's just get right into this look, guys. Alright guys, so we're going to go into my Jaclyn Hill Rainy Alarm palette, and the shade that we're picking up first is the shade Alert. And I'm using my Morphe 504 brush, and I'm actually going to use this color as a transition. So as you can see, I am applying it just above the crease, and I'm going to blow that color out and build it up until I get it to the shade that I like. And also guys, I forgot to let you know, I did apply my base off camera. I applied my Maybelline MasterConceal in the shade Medium as my base, and for my brows I use the Absolute brow pencil in the shade Smoke. Okay, so now that I've gotten that shade to my liking, I'm gonna now go into the color Siren, and using my Morphe 505 brush, I'm going to place Siren into my crease, and I'm gonna build that up as well. And I want my crease to be kind of deep, so I'm gonna layer this color a few times and then go into another color, but you guys will see that when that comes up. Okay, so using that same 505 brush, I'm going into the shade Secret, and I'm going to use that shade to deepen my crease as well as smoke out the outer corner and inner corner of my eyes. Okay, so now using my finger, I'm going to go into that shade Lolly, and I'm just going to get a good amount on my finger and place that to the center of my eyelid. And I kind of want to create like a halo eye, so I'm just going to apply that shade right in the center. Alright, so using my Morphe 518 brush, I'm just going to go ahead and blend out any harsh lines, and then I'm going to do my other eye off camera. And now we're just going to move right on to the face. I'm applying my Neutrogena oil-free moisturizer, and then I'm going to apply a very thin layer of the Milk of Magnesia to prevent my face from looking oily. And I'm going to go ahead and do my foundation off camera, come back and get straight into highlighting, and I'm using my Born This Way concealer in the shade Sand, and I'm going to blend that out with my beauty blender and then jump straight into my contour, which I'm using the black Opal cream stick in the shade Nutmeg. And the brush that I'm using right now is the Real Techniques contour brush, I believe it's called. I'll have that listed in the description box below for you guys. And I always say that I'm going to list my brushes and I forget, but I will make sure I list my brushes this time. Okay, so now I'm just going in with my beauty blender and just blending out the contour so it's not so harsh. And then after that, we're going to go ahead and set under the eye, and I'm using, of course, the Sacha Cosmetics Buttercup setting powder. And I'm going to use that setting powder everywhere that I highlighted, so it's going to be under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, around my mouth, of course around my nose as well, because I have a lot of creasing around my nose, and my forehead. Okay, so now we're just going to set the contour, and I'm going to set my contour with the Black Radiance True Complexion Light to Medium palette, and I'm using that middle shade. And the brush that I'm using is just like a random brush that I purchased off of eBay. It came in a set, but I can link the set as well in the description box below. So yeah, I'm just using that that sculpting shade out of that palette to just set all the areas that I contoured. And then I'm gonna just contour my nose with the powder only. I did not use the cream to contour my nose. I didn't want it too harsh. I just wanted to kind of have like a slight contour, so that's why I'm just using the powder. I'm gonna leave any setting powder under my eyes too long, so I'm just gonna go ahead and dust that setting powder away. And then I'm gonna set my entire face with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Dark. And again, you guys know this is like my ultimate favorite. So for my blush, I'm going to be using Wet n Wild's Color Icon Blush in the shade Mellow Wine. And for lashes today, I'm going to be using the Miss 3D Volume Lashes. And the style is M304B, I think. I'll have that listed in the description box as well, so you guys be able to pick those up. I picked these up at my local beauty supply store. They're like $3.99, but I really love them. They're very lightweight, and they make a statement. I think they're so gorgeous. For the first shade, I'm applying the color Alert, and then I'm going to apply the color Siren, and then I'm going to go deep with the color Secret. So it's the exact same steps that I used in the beginning of the video. I'm just using it for my lower lash line. Okay, so now it's time for some highlighter, and this is the Black Radiance Artisan Color Baked Bronzer in the shade Rose Gold. And guys, I actually stumbled across this in the store. It was on clearance. I think I paid like $2 for it, but when I tell you, I probably will be picking this up more than any highlighter that I have in my makeup kit. Like, I absolutely love this highlighter. I kept applying it even at the end of the video. Like, I kept applying it. I wanted more and more and more. So super pretty look. All right, so now I'm just going in with my lip liner, and of course this is the Jordana Coco Loco. This is Jordana Easyliner in Coco Loco. And then I'm just going to apply my favorite lip color, and it's the Victoria's Secret lip color in Innocence. And then I'm going to top that off with Wet n Wild's Pisces, I believe it is, Pisces lip gloss, and this is from their Zodiac collection. Guys, and that concludes this look. I'm going to go ahead and set my face with my rose water setting spray, take my scarves off, and comb down my hair. And I don't do too much to style my hair, of course, because I comb it out of a wrap, so it's kind of already bumped. I don't really like it curled too much. I just go into like the front, my bangs, and I just bend it a little bit and fluff it out with like a large tooth comb, and that's about it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.